guys, this is Zyo.
And this is Zeto. Today we're going to build Lego Ninjago Legacy. So this Lego Ninjago Legacy is featured in Season 2. It's the Golden Mech. It's piece number 71702. And this is recommended for ages 8 and above. And this is the Golden Mech, guys. And the characters we got is Sensei Wu, Lloyd,
Can I see the
General
picture?
Kovu, and Stone Army.
Oh, nice. Are you even 8?
Nope. And this is what we got in the back cover. So these are all the features the Golden Mech can do. And this is Lloyd here, and we also got Cole here. So this is the scene when they just found the Golden Mech.
Oh, look who's here!
Hi! And here we got Lloyd, the Green Ninja Lloyd, in his kimono suit, I guess. And this is their dragon, all 4 dragons combined, yeah. And this Lego Golden Mech is as tall as 10 inch or 26 cm.
That's not bad.
And yeah, so tall.
So what are we going to be doing today?
We're going to build this Lego, actually.
Wow, it looks so big.
Yeah, I know, right? And here we got the main character, Lloyd. So let's go build now.
Yay! Let's start. So let's unbox.
Okay, let's open the box here. We got bag number 2,
Bag number 4.
and we also got sticker here,
Here's bag number 3.
and bag number 4, that one. And we forgot about the instructions. The manual.
There's only
The
one?
instruction, yeah.
Let's open.
Let's do it, guys.
Let's start. Where are the characters?
Bag 1 is done. We got the body, I think, and we got Lloyd and Sensei Wu. Let's move on to bag 2.
So the brother left. Where are you going?
PlayStation.
Fine. How's it going to you?
Good.
Really? Are you almost done?
Nope.
Welcome back, Kakak Letta.
Your nap would hurt.
Hi, Zyo. Are you almost done?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Kakak Zeto is back. Say hello, Kakak. Your brother is almost done. Can you help him finishing up?
No.
I'm done with bag number 2. Now it's time for bag number 3.
Are you gonna do it?
Yes.
Yay!
Go check over here.
Ka, are you gonna help your sister? She's gonna build the bag number 3.
I don't know.
Okay, sure. Okay.
First, let's build the character.
And what's up to you too, mister? Say hi.
Let's start with this.
Ugh. Fine.
I did character 1 already. And I'm gonna do the second character. Ugh. Done.
Bag number 3. Da da da. Are you happy?
Yes.
How about you?
Yes.
Are we supposed to move on to bag number 4 now?
Yeah. You want to do it or let's both do it? Let's both. Now it's time for bag number 4. Zio, let's start with Zio. Oh yeah, we're half through there, like one arm. Just one arm. Like just one arm. Just one arm. You're recording?
Yep.
Last piece. You're done. Surprise! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Bye. Bye. Let him nap. He's tired.